What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know that I didn't post last week. Today is Sunday. Beautiful day, by the way. It was pretty cold yesterday. I know I didn't record last week. I got busy. I had a few things that I had to get done, personal wise, and I did a few things. But the main reason was because I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to see another video. 3 videos in a row of me just welding these plates. My wife came and told me, because she watches them too. Another video welding. So yes, I just skipped last week to try to focus and trying to get most of this stuff done. And surprise, I got it done. Not the prettiest welds by far. I know I've already said that like 20,000 times. Not the prettiest, but they will work. So what we're gonna do today is grind the width. Well, I'm gonna probably grind one plate, and then well, as much as I can tolerate, because I don't want to spend all day doing this. I got a few other things I gotta get done. So, but just for the sake of me trying to get ahead of this a little bit more, I'm gonna try to work on this today. So stay tuned. So like I was saying, I finished welding all the plates. They're not the greatest. I had to build up, don't mind the wetness here, I had to extinguish some fires. I had to build up the weld because the gap's way too big. I cut the plate too small, but we got it handled. So I'm gonna have to spend some time grinding that off. But all the holes that I wanted to get welded off are all welded. They're not, like I said, not prettiest, but they will do. So today what we're gonna do, and what I'm focused on, is try to start grinding these welds off to make them look presentable. I'm not worried about the pitting, or if I don't get get it completely, like if I have some pits or some spots that I missed, because I am coming back with some Bondo once we get it all finished, once we get it all grinded off, and filling in any of the parts that I didn't finish, that they didn't get welded. They're gonna get filled in with body filled. So I'm not too worried about it. My main concern, my main worry right now is to get the welds grounded off to where I can put some body filler and then level it out with that. I can find the die grinder bit. We're moving steady along with this. This is not, I thought it was going to take a little bit longer. Not all the holes are going to be welded off. It just takes too much time. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm kind of tired of welding. Seems like a never-ending process. So what I'm going to do is just body fill the small holes, or the rest of the holes that I didn't get finished. So if it doesn't look good, it doesn't look good. It's good. I'm not going to spend my entire time welding these holes. It's just gonna create more of a problem. Sorry if I'm seem kind of distracted. I'm looking for my die grinder bit. I found it. I need to clean the shop. I know. It is dirty and messy. That's probably gonna be one of our videos next time around, probably next week or so, once I get all this grinding finished and all of this welding done, which I already got the welding done, but the grinding done, because it's going to be a messy ordeal. Soon, here in about a few weeks, I want to say I'm going to do a sort of like a reveal. Not really a big thing. I want to just go over the plans with what I got going on building this car. I know I haven't mentioned it in the channel yet, so I do want to go over what the plans are for this build, and show you all the cool things that I have. accumulated. Put y'all right here. That's a good spot or not. All the cool things that I got for the car, and what my head of attack is with this. I'll show y'all what exactly my future plans with it and what I expect out of this. For those that probably already follow me on Facebook and whatnot, they already know or have a hint of what I got going on. Only certain people know exactly what I got going on, but it's not a big deal. It's not a big secret. Hold on, let me get rid of these annoying chickens. Anyways, so I got the bit, so we're gonna go ahead and get going on these, trying to get some of these, grind some of these weld off. I'm gonna probably end up having to do 80 grit all around the bay, only because it's the heat from the welding brought back, peeled back some of this paint, and just for safekeeping, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off as much paint as I can, and then try to blend in with the new one, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I'm probably blabbing off here. So yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, so as you saw from the time lapse, I went ahead and started grinding these welds down. Now, oh, I got a couple splinters on my hands. Anyway, sorry for the close up. Anyways, so I got this first front plate up, finished and grounded, grinded out. About to hammer that a little bit out. Anyways, so as you can see, I got all the welds grounded. Now, don't mind how it still looks crazy and whatnot. This is gonna get body filler right here on the seams, so it will look better. Hold on, let me get the splinter out of my finger. Wear gloves if you're doing this. Okay, we're back. Yeah, so I got all the welds grinded off, at least on the front end. I still got 1, 2, 3 to go, the rest of them to go. But as you can see, you grind all the weld off and you're left with a semi-clean weld. Mine obviously aren't that great, but on this one too, like I said, I started going here. If you use a die grinder, just be careful, because as you can see, it went through right there. As you can see, sorry for the noise. I got a chicken in here. Yeah, it just bounced off and it kept grinding in the same spot, and so therefore it causes a hole to go through. I'm either going to have to fill that in somehow with Bondo. Well, I probably have to weld it back in, so there's a corner there, but I'll figure it out later. I'll figure it out later. It's no biggie. As you can see right here, I started going at it right here on this corner, and it's just taking a long time, because this is a lot of weld that I have to grind off. But it is leaving it clean. It's just, like I said, it takes a long time. I'm about to buy another, like a more precise deburr bit. But other than that, I don't know if I'm gonna make a video next week. I still have a lot of grinding to do. Unless y'all want to see another video of me grinding, but I highly doubt. I know that I wouldn't want to see another video. I'm trying to be a little bit better at what I record, so even if I have to skip a video just to get ahead and maybe put out different content, then that's what I will have to do. Right now, like I said, it's just a lot of repetitive stuff, welding, grinding kind of thing. But nonetheless, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going at it. Hopefully sooner or later I'm gonna have this primed, body filled and whatnot, and hopefully we can continue going with the build. But anywho, that's for another day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.